Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve exercise 3B, question number 2 of book 2. So in the previous videos, I have uploaded question number 1 of this exercise. Now it's time for question number 2. As you all know, this whole exercise is related to factorization. So question number 2 also says factorize each of the following expressions completely. It's simply like question number 1 but with different values. So we are going to solve all of the 8 parts of this question. So let's solve question number 2 without wasting any time. So over here I have written part A and part B. So first let's solve part A. So simply first of all, to break the middle term, I'm going to multiply 3 means the first value and the last value. So 3 multiplied by 7 is 21. Now we need to find a number. By multiplying we get 21 and then by subtraction we get 10, means the middle term. So I think it's a coincidence that we are having those numbers already with us. Means if we multiply 3 with 7 or 7 with 3, so if we just multiply 3 with 7, so it's 21, okay? And then if we just add 3 and 7, so it is 10. So I think we have found out the middle term. So, and over here I'm going to just write the middle term, means 3n square plus 3n plus 7n, n plus 7. Okay, now we are going to take the common. Over here common is 3 and n, okay? And then as you know, it's n square, so 1n would be inside also. And then 3n, if we multiply 3n with 1, so it would be 3n, so n plus 1. Now over here we are having a common of 7 and then n, and we need to get, like, when we multiply 7 with 1, so it's 7. So there's a trick there to check whether you're doing the question right. So if these two brackets are same in their signs also and in their values also, so that means you're doing it correctly, okay? Now one time I'm going to write 3n plus 7 and then n plus 1. Fine. Now let's solve part B. So we are going to do the same thing. I'm going to multiply 4 with 3. So if we multiply 4 with 3, so it is 4 3s are 12. Okay, now we need to find a number. By multiplying we get 12, and by add or subtracting that same number we get 8. So if we multiply 6 with 2, so it is 12, okay? And then if we add 6 and 2, so it is 8. So I think this is the perfect middle term for it, okay? So 4p square plus 6p plus 2p plus 3, okay? So I'm going to now make the brackets. So over here common is 2, because 2 2s are 4 and p square, so 1p would be inside. Then 2p again, because 2 2s are 4 and p multiplied p is 4p square, okay? Then plus, and 2 3s are 6, so 2 3s are 6. Fine. Now over here again common, it would be okay, so it would be 1, because if we multiply 1 with 2, so it is 2p, and then 1 multiplied with 3 is 3. So now one time I'm going to write 2p plus 1, and then the next one time 2p plus 3. So part A and B are solved. Now let's solve the rest of the question also. So over here I have written part C. So first of all, I'm going to multiply 6 with 12. So 6 multiplied by 12 is 72. Now we need to find a number. By multiplying we get 72, and by add or subtract we get 17, which is the middle number. Okay, so let's see. If we multiply 9 with 8, so it is 72. Okay, and then if we just means like this, subtract minus 9 or minus 8, so minus minus would be plus. 9 plus 18, 9 plus 8 is 17, negative 17, and we need to get the value in negative. So I think it's the perfect middle term. So if I write 6q square minus 7 minus 9q, then minus plus 8q plus 12, then we are going to take the common. So over here common would be 3, because 3 and q, 1q would be outside, because 3 2s are 6, and then 3 3s are 9. Okay, then plus, so over here the sign would be negative, and over here the common would be 4, because 4 2s are 8 and 4 3s are 12. So over here the sign would be again negative, because minus plus is minus. So the trick to check it is that your both brackets which are coming should be same, means you're doing the question correctly. Okay, so now I'm going to write one time 3q minus 4, and then 2q minus 3 one time. So now let's move towards part D. So this is part D, and in this part first of all I'm going to multiply 4 with 3. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, and if we think of a number like which by multiplying we get 12, and then by add or subtract we get 7, so it would be 3 and 4 in a coincidence, because if we multiply 4 with 3 it is 12, and then if we subtract like this, let me show you, or if we add minus 4 minus 3 equals to minus plus 4 plus 3 is 7, and as the first value is negative, so it would be negative 7. So I think that's for the perfect thing that we need to write. Okay, so 4 r square minus 4 r minus 3 r, and then plus 3. Fair? Now I'm going to take the common. Over here the common would be 4r. As you know, r is also the common, but now we are going to write r. 4r multiplied by r is 4r square minus 1. 4r multiplied by 1 is 4r. Now minus 3. Now you're going to write r, as 3 is the common over here, and as you know 3 we need to get 3 also, so 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, and minus plus is minus. So these two brackets are same, means we are doing correctly. So 4r minus 3 one time, and then one time we are going to write r minus 1. So this is how we have solved part D. Now let's move towards next to solve the next parts. So over here I have taken a middle term also, means 8 multiplied by 15 is 120, and then the number by multiplying we get, means 12 multiplied by 10 is 120, and then if we subtract 12 from 10 it is 2. Okay, so I think that's the perfect middle term. So it is 8s square So 8s square plus 12s minus 10s and minus 15. Okay, now the common over here is 4s, 4 and 4 2s are 8 and then 4 3s are 12. Okay, then over here the common is 5 because 5 2s are 10 and then 5 3s are minus is plus, 5 3s are 15. So both brackets are same. First of all, one time we are going to write 4s minus 5 and one time 2s plus 3. Okay, now for part F, I'm going to multiply 6 with 20. So 6 multiplied by 20 equals to 120 again. So now we need to find a middle term. By add or subtract we get 19. So if I multiply 24 with 5, okay, so if I multiply 24 with 5, so it is 120, and then if we subtract 24 with 5, so it is 19. So I think this would be the perfect middle term for it. Okay, so if I write 6t square plus 24t then minus 5t and minus 20, and also now we need to take the common, so it would be something like this, 6, because 6 is over here the common, and t. So if I write t over here, 6 multiplied by t is t square and then plus 4 because 6 4s are 24. Then over here common is 5 like this, and 5 4s are 20 and minus is plus. So both the brackets are same. Now it would be 6 1 times 6t minus 5 and 1 time t plus 4. So now let's move towards solving the last two parts. So over here I have written part G and part H. So first of all I'm going to find the middle term. Okay, 4 multiplied by 21 is 84. Now the number by multiplying we get 84 would be 14 multiplied by 6. I think it would be 84, and then if we just subtract 14 with 6, so it would be 8. So I think it is the middle term, so it would be 4u square minus 14u minus 6u and minus 21. Okay, now I'm going to take the common, so 2 would be the common and u, and 2u again minus 7, I think so, because 2 7s are 14. So I think it's the perfect bracket. Then minus, then over here the common would be 3 and 2u minus, okay, so it is minus, and then 7. So one time I would write 2u minus 3 and one time 2u minus 7. Now towards the last part, part H. So if I multiply 18 with 39, so it would be 702. So 18 multiplied by 39, 702. and then if we just think of a number by multiplying, we get 702, so it might be 27 multiplied by 26. So 27 multiplied by 26, it is 702. And then if we just subtract to get 1, because over here they have written w, so it is considered to be 1. So 27 minus 26, it would be 1. Okay, so I think so it's the correct middle term. So 18 w square minus 27 w and minus or plus, okay, plus 26 w minus 39. Then we're going to take the common, so 9w are the common, and 9 2s are 18 and w, okay, then 9 3s are, okay. Then over here the common would be 26 and 39, so they come in the table of 13, okay, in the table of 13. So 13 and 13 2s are 26 and 13 3s are 39, I think so, yes. So 9w plus 13 in one bracket and 2w minus 3 in one bracket. So this is how we have solved exercise 3b of book 2, and this is exercise 3b question number 2. So I hope you like today's video. If you like today's video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so you can get my upcoming videos. Okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.